If you're anything like me, you love to entertain for Thanksgiving, and one of the best parts about it is entertaining for kids. So I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I've done in the past and what my plans are for this year. A few years ago, when I was lucky enough to host Thanksgiving, I decided it would be a lot of fun to make a special kids table. I found this table and chair set off of Facebook Marketplace and painted it green. I found fabric at Joann's and made a tablecloth. I also downloaded a pattern. At the time when Martha Stewart had her television series, she had done a kids' table and had a pattern for the turkeys here. So I just downloaded it. But I think you could probably just find a shape and cut it out and create your own coloring books. As you see, I just bundled together crayons for each place. These puppets I found at Hobby Lobby in a little kit, and it had 4, which was exactly what I needed for each place setting. The plates I bought at Pottery Barn Kids that year, and you'll see in today's Tablescape, it's the same exact plates. I just take them out every year. The kids really enjoyed the table, and so did the adults. The kids are a lot older now, but since it's been such a strange year, I wanted to do something a little bit special. So I found an escape room, a virtual escape room, that I'm going to have them partake in at the table, and we've put together a little scavenger hunt for them. But first, the table. I found this tablecloth at Habitat for Humanity for $18. It's trimmed with brown ribbon. They also had an orange ribbon and also plain, but I thought the brown would be perfect for this tablescape. As you see, the plates are the same as I've used every year since they were little. The chargers, are found at Walmart. They were $1.98 a piece. The teal plates I found at the Dollar Tree. And I just used mason jars for their cups. And little pumpkin dishes for butter or bread or just those vegetables that they don't want touching each other. I'm really excited about them trying this escape room. It's just something they can point their little devices at, and it'll take them right to this quiz, and so it'll be a lot of fun. I think I also put a copy of it at the adult table so that the adults can play it also. I found at Hobby Lobby this packet of thankful wheels. The kids will be able to color on it and just put what they're thankful for. I'm pretty excited about these 2 activities I put together for the kids. The first of which is this virtual escape room where you have to help the turkey escape by answering a few riddles or questions. And they just get their phone, they point the camera at the QR code, and a document will pop up. You click on that, and it takes you right to the quiz. So I'm going to put a link to that or a picture of this QR code so that you can do the same if you want to at your home. The other one is I've been creating some scavenger hunts in my home where they will be able to answer a few questions or a riddle. I normally kind of have them rhyme, sort of. I mean, I'm making them up myself, so sometimes they rhyme, sometimes they don't. But they'll do the activities, then they'll have to do something, like they have to go walk on a balance beam or carry an egg across the yard or throw balls between some hoops, and then they will get the next clue. So they have a lot of fun, and it's a lot of fun for everybody that does it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the PDF of my scavenger hunt attached in the description box so that you can make changes to suit your home, or you can use the same thing I have there. If you stick around to the end, you'll get a sneak peek of our Thanksgiving tablescape. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you and your family have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe and that notification bell so you can get notified the next time I have a video. Thanks. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.